What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Defender Pro case from OtterBox for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's check it out. So yeah, welcome back guys. Checking out the next case in the OtterBox lineup for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So the casing is pretty much the same on all the OtterBoxes now. This one actually kind of feels a little bit older. They don't mention MagSafe on here, probably because it is so thick. So I doubt the MagSafe is going to work, but hopefully the wireless charging will. The notice on the back is a little bit different. Works with wireless charging and MagSafe charging pads, no magnets in case. So it'll probably charge, but the magnet's not going to stick to the back of the case. So something to keep in mind. It has the antimicrobial protection, heavy duty protection, the kickstand from the holster, and port covers as well. Nothing really to notice on the sides, but let's break into it and see what we got. Got warranty information, I'm guessing. Notice that your phone will work with 5G. Every phone I've ever had in the last 10 years, I always get one of these cases. They're my go-to for quick, easy to access, reliable protection. And typically when I want a lot of protection, I'm outside running around with the weed whacker, cutting the lawn or something like that, so the holster comes in handy at that point. So if you've never seen the holster before, it does exactly what it says it does. It holds the phone on your belt clip. You can store it both ways so that you can have the phone facing out. And the belt clip actually serves a dual purpose to hold the phone on your belt, and you can snap it out like that and put the phone out like that, and I believe it goes the other way too. Yeah, so you can kind of prop the phone up a little bit. Getting into the case itself now, these are a two-part case, similar to the Defender Pro XT, just a little bit easier to wield and get on. So you have an outer rubber protective layer, relatively flexible, and you have a hard plastic shield on the inside. My favorite way to take these apart, just grab the flap down bottom and kind of peel it off. And then you can see the harder shell on the inside. There's little tabs all around the outside for separating the frame. You take the phone, lay it in the frame, take the outer part of the frame, lay it over the top, take the plastic, the rubberized outside, kind of roll it around the edges, then boom, you're good to go. Just like that, your ruggedized case is installed. The lines feel good, plenty of room for a screen protector, shouldn't be a problem. It definitely is going to protect the optics in the back. You can lay it down and it rocks a little bit less because of the thickness of the case. It's not as big of a protrusion, but your optics are definitely protected. And of course you got that holster. Your new dimensions with the case on are going to be roughly 14.25 millimeters thick, and then at the camera hump roughly 15.3 millimeters thick and about 88 millimeters wide. Taking the phone out of the case is pretty much the same thing, just in reverse. I usually pull the tab out, take the plastic off, find your tabs, and boom, your case is now released. The case itself is about 69-70 grams. The holster is 68, so basically the weight of the case. The phone, 241. With the case, you're looking at 310. With the holster, you're looking at roughly 377 grams. So there you have it, the Defender Pro. This case is definitely one of the cases I keep in my arsenal of cases. Like I said, when I'm going outside, hiking, doing anything where I might, have a higher chance of dropping the phone, you want a little bit of extra protection. Would I recommend this case? Absolutely. If you're like me and you have a bunch of cases and you want one that's going to protect your phone when you're out doing crazy stuff, this is the case for you. If you're a single case kind of person and you want to maximize that return on investment, meaning you want to trade it in without any worries, this is a great case for you as well. If you're looking for something light and nimble that will go in and out of your pocket very easy, this might not be for you because this thing is pretty chunky and the outside of it is very grippy. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this case with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.